Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to become a Temu product tester. So the process is basically simple. Go to the Google, open up your browser in your phone or like laptop, that doesn't matter. So just go to Google and search here Temu affiliate program. And once you search Temu affiliate program, you will be seeing this first section called affiliate program of Temu. So make sure to open this section called affiliate program. And once you go to this section, you'll be seeing this kind of interface. So just you can click on get now or just cross it. And once you cross it, just simply scroll down and click on get started, or you can just click on join now. So let's say I click on join now, and from here you can just enter your email, or let's say you already have an account. So just click on Google and continue with Google. And after that, you will be like signed up or signed in. And once you do that, you will be a partner, or you can say that an affiliate influencer for Temu. And make sure to follow them on like their social media app. Make sure to use their like application in their mobile phone. Comment on their social media platforms, either it is Facebook or TikTok. As you can see, they just promote this kind of things. So make sure to follow them, like their videos, comments on their videos, and they will randomly select the person who can benefit them as well. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can become a Temu product tester.